When I say dressing rules, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि ये rules आपको follow करने ही हैं. Instead, these are some tips and tricks that many of us don't even consider every day, but they can turn out to be really helpful. First is find your best bra. When it comes to looking and feeling your best in your clothing, undergarments are so important. But many of us buy it without giving it a second thought. It not only helps you to have a better posture, but you will feel better in your clothing. To get your perfect size, you need two measurements. First is your band size, measure under your bust on your rib cage, and second is your cup size. Measure over your bust to get the correct size. Measure it using your measuring tape. So, for example, your band size is 34 inches, then 34 will automatically become the starting point of your cup size. And after you are done measuring the cup size, and suppose it comes out to be 36 inches, then every inch over 34 will be equal to 1 cup. So, 34 band plus 35 cup will be equal to 34A, 34 band plus 36 cup will be equal to 34B, 34 band plus 37 cup will be equal to 34C, and so on. The second rule is avoid white undergarments under white clothing. White undergarments dark colored clothes के अंदर तो ठीक लगते हैं, but अगर आप nude colors या white color पहन रहे हो तो white under white will shine like a pearl. It's recommended to wear nude colors or the color that is close to your skin tone to not make it visible. So, if and only if you don't want your undergarments to shine or show above your clothing, then you can opt for this. But अगर आपको उससे कोई problem नहीं है, then wear the color of your choice. Third is look taller instantly. लंबा दिखने के लिए heels पहनना जरूरी नहीं है. वैसे भी it pains so much. You can rather play with proportions and trick the eye of the person. First thing can be, you can choose shoes or footwear that is close to your skin tone. Bonus points if your shoe or sandals has a pointed toe. And second thing can be high-waisted jeans, bottoms, skirts or pants. You can go for this option if you want to create this illusion. Fourth point is find your skin tone and your undertone. वैसे तो I am no one to tell you which color will complement you and which will not. But अगर कोई भी कपड़ा या कोई भी कलर पहनते वक्त आपको ऐसा लगा है कि यार ये कलर मुझ पे सूट क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Why is it looking so dull on me? It is because you might be wearing a color which is not suiting your undertone. Now what's the difference between your skin tone and your undertone? Your skin tone is your skin color, the one you see when you look at yourself in a mirror in a natural daylight. Types are very fair, medium, dark, tan, etc. And your undertone is the hidden color in your skin, the one that you don't see at the first sight. These are of three types: cool, warm and neutral. To find your undertone, you need to look at your veins under natural sunlight. If they are on blue or on the purple side, then your undertone is cool. If your veins are on the green or olive side, then your undertone is warm. Now this is the color palette. Cool colors are the colors that are blue based and warm colors are the colors that are yellow based. अगर आपका undertone cool है तो आपको ये colors ज़्यादा सूट करेंगे. Take a screenshot if you want to. और अगर आपका undertone warm है तो आपके ऊपर ये colors ज़्यादा complement करेंगे. Now if you cannot figure out the color of your veins, then your undertone most probably is neutral. And bingo! Any color and every color will suit you. Lucky people. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज पर्पस ऑफ क्लोथिंग. क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको कुछ कंफर्टेबल पहनने का मन है बट आपने कबर्ड खोली तो आपने देखा कि अरे यार ये भी फिटिंग का है, ये तो बहुत टाइट है, क्या करूं? Here's when you have to understand the purpose of clothing. There are so many times when we have to mind the length of our clothes and compromise on our comfort. या फिर कितनी बार आप हॉट दिखने के लिए अनकंफर्टेबल कपड़े पहन लेते होगे और फिर रियलाइज करते होगे कि यार काश कुछ लूज पहना होता तो ये एक्टिविटी कर पाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू गोइंग आउट टू प्ले, then obviously don't wear a sari because you don't want to lose. But obviously if you want to wear body fitting clothes at any place or occasion, then go for it. बस अच्छा या hot दिखने के pressure में आकर मत पहनो. Make sure you're able to enjoy it. Wear comfortable clothes when you can. Last but not the least rule is don't be afraid to repeat clothes. When guys repeat clothes, no one even notices. But ज़्यादातर लड़कियाँ कपड़े repeat ही नहीं करना चाहती हैं, because of which they end up spending so much money. अगर आपको repeat नहीं भी करना है, तो भी आपके पास कितने सारे options हैं जिसमें आप mix and match करके या different styling करके कपड़े repeat कर सकते हो. But is it worth it? I mean, even research says that a lot of successful entrepreneurs or people wear the same thing every day. It's because they don't want to spend so much time deciding what to wear. They have to make better and bigger decisions. Even you have so many decisions to make in a day. एक average इंसान पूरे दिन में 35,000 decisions लेता है. So why do you want to waste your time thinking only about how to dress well? Your worth is more than how well dressed you are. These were some tricks that have always been helpful and beneficial for me, and I hope they can be helpful for you too, if you ever need them.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.